Hello, good evening. So this is Gobinathan. I'm the project manager for this project, and my student number is 20110901. And this scenario meeting activity 2, and this is a short meeting for the overview of the project, which is wastewater treatment construction project. And I'm going to go through with some of the key activities and also some of the requirements on in this project. And I'm meeting with today so council member Rajalakshmi and environmental advocacy group representative Joshna. Hello Raji, hello Joshna.
Hi Gopi, how are you?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Hi Gopi and good thanks.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thanks for attending this meeting. So this is only a short meeting actually regarding the project and how we are maintaining this. Some of the procedures follow the in a construction site, and also we need to have some of the permits, and we need to go through that, and the project timeline and project phases, what all that it's involved in this project. So mainly this project lot of civil works and also the mechanical, some of the electrical works involved. And so the mainly the first phase will be design and then planning, and then we need to get it approved by the council and also the environmental, and then we need to have the site works, and after that we need to have some concrete work, civil works, and then we need to get the modules. Some of the modules are made in Western Australia, and some of the modules, some of the big modules made in overseas, and it's all in a shipping. Once it's come to the site, and then get it ready, and we need to install them. So the currently this meeting is in like initial stage, so we done already the design, and we are going to submit to the council, as we are waiting for the some of the drawings and also the planning schedule and everything. So once we get that, and we will submit to you, and you can go through that. And if you got anything modified or need to get it issue or anything we need to resolve, and if we need to any changes, you can email us anytime, and then we can change it, and I will email you back, and you can get it approved. Once we get approved, then we can start the civil work. Yeah, so do you have anything, Raji?
Yeah, so what is the procedure for the site evacuation in an emergency situation, Gopi?
Yes, our company policy. So we have some of the documentary process. If in an emergency, we got like a muster point. We'll mark in a muster point. All the employees follow the evacuation siren. The siren goes on, then everybody should come to the muster point, and then the warden, the representative will count the members, like how many members we are working today, and then how many of them in the muster point, and in that time, so everybody present, and then so they everybody knows that nobody in a site, so then nobody in emergency. So once everybody is counted, then it should be fine for the emergency, in an emergency situation, so nobody is got injured or nobody got any hurt or anything. So that's the way we make sure our procedure is mainly we will have some training on that. So the safety evacuation training when they do the induction, and also the online system, and when they start the new job, and then they need to know all the evacuation system and the emergency situation, so they will come to know that how we need to evacuate in an emergency situation. So this process, we have some checklist. Once we come to the muster point, everybody is present, and then we'll go back to the site once everything is clear. So this way we will note down in the system, and then we will submit to the council or some of the environmental team. Is that sounds good for you?
Yeah, sounds good. Thanks for the explanation.
Yep. Okay, so and then we have some of the key milestones. There will be like a phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, as I mentioned earlier. So in phase 1, designing, planning, permitting. In a phase 2, phase 3 is mainly construction. So this phase 3 is the main process, and a lot of people will work on through, and we have some of the key systems for need to follow, some of any hazards we need to find out, we need to mitigate the issues, and some of the job structure we need to follow, we need to have the job safety analysis, JSA. We need to follow the structure when everybody start the job, and we need to fill that process paperwork, and then we will submit in the site. So that's the way we overcome any hazard or any injuries to overcome that situation. So this is the mitigation of that hazard. So the phase 4 will be operation and maintenance, and the critical deadlines will be final approval and any issues in commissioning. So that will be the deadline, and I think it should be go through well. Once we get approval, then we will start the civil work. So this is all the main agenda for this project. So hope everything you got cleared, and I will send you this copy of this meeting agenda and also the information about this project through the email with the PDF. So thanks for joining with us.
Thanks, Gopi.
Thanks,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you. Bye. Take care.